find participants, and collect high-quality data, all while staying in budget on Prolific. Get started in minutes. It's free to create an account. Create studies in your favorite tools and connect them seamlessly. All you need is a link. Find the people you need from our unrivaled participant pool, then launch. The best part? Get your first responses in minutes and watch your data roll in the same day. Stay in control with our flexible platform, screen participants with our free filters, or try our census-matched representative samples. From market research and political polls to psychology experiments and longitudinal studies, Prolific makes it easy. And thanks to our transparent pricing, you'll always stay in budget. Data quality is our priority, so is fair treatment. We treat our participants ethically, rewarding them fairly for their time. And we run ID checks and more to keep bots and fraudsters at bay, all giving you the highest quality data. Run academic research with confidence at prolific.com.